everybody, it's Amber, and I just want to thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a different kind of video for you. I am participating in a challenge, and I really invite all of you to also participate. It is super easy, and the person holding the challenge is my good friend Sybil, and she is Sybil B here on YouTube. A lot of you probably already know and admire her. Her work is just incredible and amazing. She's my absolute #1 favorite card maker on YouTube. Her cards are just absolutely immaculate and beautiful. You would just be blown away at her work if you don't know it already. So I just wanted to come on, and I'm participating, like I said, in her challenge that she's got going on over on her channel. It's a giveaway. So this is called Help a Girl Out Challenge. This is actually a really cool challenge. She's got all the rules and a video explaining everything in detail on her channel. So I'm going to link that below so you can just click on it and you'll go right to it and you can hear about, the rules and everything. It's super easy. So I'm not going to go into all the rules and everything in this video because, like I said, Sybil has one already that I'm going to link below for you. So this is kind of like an ongoing challenge, and the first little segment here she's got is holiday craft storage. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you here. So I know this is like help a girl out, but Sybil, if you're watching, I don't know if this is really going to help you out because I think this is just going to give us all permission to hoard lots of Christmas stuff because that's what I do. And I hide it and disguise it in these really cute decorative shoe boxes that you can buy in any craft store. So it doubles as decor. So you can just have them all over your house, filled with all the crafts you need, and nobody will ever know. They'll just think it's cute decor. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm sharing with you is some of the crafty things that I use to make cards and albums and send in Happy Mail. That's the storage that I'm showing you today. So these little boxes that I have, I get at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I mean, they're everywhere and they're so adorable. I love getting them and I'm kind of addicted to buying them. But anyways, in this box, I have everything embellishments. So anything from die cuts that I've bought to tags and little felt shapes. I'm not going to take every single thing out, but you can see what I mean. There's a little confetti there. It's like big glitter snowflakes. I've got some die-cut Christmas trees in all different sizes and Merry Christmas die cuts, just all kinds of little die cuts. That's where I store them. I keep them all in the same place. That's why when I'm making cards or when my nephews come over and they want to do crafts, it's all right there in this adorable Season's Greetings box. Okay, so next up is this cute little Christmas tree box. This one's kind of a little low, but I will tell you I bought some more stuff to put in here at Target. This holds any of my chalk signs that I use for my craft fairs, and it also holds any decorative holiday clothespins. So I've got just a few in here, and they're really adorable actually. There's like these red ones and the Christmas tree ones, but that one's pretty empty. But like I said, I just bought some new clothespins at Target, and I can't wait to store them in here. Okay, so this next box is not very organized. This is my different kind of decorative ribbon and yarn that I use for some of my gift wrapping. Last year, I really kind of fell in love with wrapping my gifts with a bunch of yarn. So I'd wrap it and then I'd tie a bunch of yarn around it instead of ribbon. So I really loved doing that last year. And then I also had incorporated some of that plaid ribbon. So I've just got some tape and scissors, ribbon, and the yarn in here. And I like throwing in just different ribbons and stuff in here because I like taking it with me when I wrap gifts. That way I can do some unique little touches to them. So that's what goes in that box. This is one of my favorite boxes. Super cute. And I am storing my December dailies in here. So if you watch my channel, you know that I do these very simple December dailies with these cute little photo books. So that was 2015. Here's 2017. And 2016 is down there. Yeah, there it is. So that's the only December dailies I've ever done so far. I've only done it for the last 3 years, and I absolutely love it, but that's where I'm storing it. And I actually switched them out because I got this box this year at Michael's and I absolutely love it. It used to be in a different one that kind of ripped, the lid ripped. So I was glad that I was able to buy a new one to store my December dailies. So I really, really love this box. It's like a holiday candy shop. And in here, I have like all my craft stuff, like that I would add to Happy Mail or my nephews would dig into. So I keep all my little mini jingle bells in here. And I was obsessed with these candy canes last year at Dollar Tree. And I think I got like 3 packs of them, but they're down there. They're like little ornaments. And then I just have some more, like just arts and crafts things. Just little buttons and embellishments, more things that I would kind of consider kind of kid crafts or Happy Meal, like things to add to Happy Meal. So that's what I keep in there. And I just love this box. I've had it for a few years. Okay, guys, do not judge me. This next box is jam-packed full of tags. These tags are my obsession, obviously, as you can see, but most of these tags are purchased at like after Christmas clearance sales, and those plaid ones that you see a large variety of there under there. I don't know if you can see them. It's like a hot mess going on right now. But anyways, those plaid ones are the ones I use for my Hershey Nugget packs, and I just fell completely in love with these holiday gift tags because I got them at, I think, Dollar Tree or Dollar General, one of them. And oh my goodness, I just love the design. And as you can see, this box is just jam-packed full of gift tags. So I love having them on hand, using them in my craft fair stuff. And so that box is to hold all my gift tags. This is my favorite design right here, the little cute plaid Christmas cottage. It's either like a barn or a cottage. I don't really know, but it's so cute. It's plaid and has snow on it. I love it. But the inside contents of this box is just, in a word, sad, you guys. This is my entire Christmas stamp collection, and it is super, like, ridiculous. Why do I not have more Christmas stamps? I have no idea. I love doing image stamps around the holidays. I absolutely love doing tags. So I don't know why this is like the saddest collection ever. I'm even ashamed for Sybil to be watching this because she is like the stamp and coloring queen. And anyways, but this is my stamp collection for the holidays, for Christmas anyways. And it goes in this adorable plaid house box. So there it is, some of my holiday craft storage. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you find these really cute boxes in your craft stores. They're just so fun to buy. I always buy one for myself, my mom, my sisters. It's so fun seeing the different designs. But anyways, now is the part of the video where I have a favor to ask of you. I would absolutely love for you to go over to Sybil's channel and participate in this giveaway. But I know some people, aren't able to, or maybe they don't make videos. So if you could, please go over and visit Sybil's channel, subscribe to it, let her know that I sent you, and just be a part of her crafting community because you will not regret it. She is, like I said, and I stand by it, the #1 card maker on YouTube, I believe. And she's got a whole library of videos all over there. She does Copic coloring, and she is one of the best Copic colors as well. And first and foremost, she is just the sweetest person you'll ever meet. I have really been grateful to get to know Sybil over the past years through this crafting community, and she's just a wonderful, wonderful person. So if you want to go over there, check her out. I'm sure a lot of you already know what a talented artist she is. I really encourage you to head over there and subscribe to her channel. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave all the links, all the information below so that you can join in as well. And I'm going to be back again tomorrow with another craft fair idea for you. So hope to see you then. And thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye.